What's up, guys? What's up? Alright, we have eBay breaks for August the 21st. We got 2 TriStar helmets and a half case of Topps Archives baseball. I can't wait to open those. Y'all ready for some nostalgia? Those are going to be cool to go through. Alright, spots for TriStar. Brian M. Rams and Patriots. Megan. Vikings, Eagles, Bucks. Justin A. Saints, Dolphins, Giants, Titans. Wayne, the Chargers. Nathan, the Colts. Brandon, the Chiefs. Hunter, the Jets. Corey, the Panthers, Bengals, Falcons, Bills, Cowboys. Bears, Texans, Raiders. Jared G., the Steelers and 49ers. Kyle, the Packers. Christian, the Lions. Lopez, the Broncos. Daniel, the Browns. Jacob, the Ravens and Seahawks. And Kenneth, the Redskins. Alright, those are your spots for the helmets. Let's open up the helmets. Good luck, guys. First helmet is a Giants. Y.A. Tittle for the Giants. White ink, Hall of Fame 71 inscription. Y.A. Tittle for the Giants. We got to cut it twice. And a Bob Greasy for the Dolphins. Nice helmet for the Dolphins. So we got Giants and we got Dolphins. 2 old school guys tonight. Bob Greasy, Y.A. Tittle. Dolphins, Justin A. Giants, Justin A. Justin A. sweeps the break. There you go, man. Alright, we're going to scoop those over just a hair. Alrighty, spots for Archives. Ben, Phillies, Diamondbacks, Rockies, Orioles, Rangers. Travis, Pirates. Jeffrey, the A's and Giants. Larry, the Yankees. Orozco, Mariners. Todd, the Cardinals. Thomas, the Twins. Holly, the Mets. Hayes, the Padres. Sean, the Brewers. English, the Marlins, Dodgers, and Nationals. Ian, the Rays and Reds. Jared, the Tigers. Jose, the Astros. Krista, the Royals. Cynthia, the Angels. Matlock, the Blue Jays. James, the Indians. Curtis, the White Sox. Lindsay, the Cubs. Michael S., the Red Sox. Aaron, the Braves. And sometimes I wonder on those TriStar helmets, Lucas, if they don't, if they allow anybody past like 1980 to sign them. Man. I'm good with the old school guys every now and then, but not every stinking time. Alright, let me make sure we have no more group requests. And we do. Alright, I got them in. We're good to go. Got a lot of packs to rip tonight. Gee whiz. Alright, let's get these packs ripped and get into this first box. Brandon wants that case hit to come out tonight. I do think those case hit autos look pretty cool, the magazine autos. The second half of this same case will be the next break of these, which I think is Saturday night, I believe it is. Yeah, it is Saturday night. The second half of this case is Saturday night on eBay. What's up, Jose? All right, guys, box one is ripped. We are ready to go. Good luck. What are these? Two. Let me read the box. Two autos, two on-card autos per box. What we're looking for here. And of course, there's a bunch of the fake autos. That card right there will take you back. Topps Magazine, Francisco Lindor. It's pretty cool. Derek Jeter, Topps Magazine. Where's the real auto? Bunch of fake ones there. Take me a minute to get used to these. Good gosh. They could have made the fake autos look not so real. Fernando Tatis Jr., rookie card for the Padres. Kyle, you feel it? You want to come help me sort these when I get done? Future star A-Rod. Jesus. Got a Vlad Jr. rookie. We got autographs for the Dodgers. Autograph for the Dodgers, Steve Sachs. And autograph for the A's, Jermaine Dye. The Jermaine Dye is 61 of 99. The Sachs is not numbered. Mike Trout base. Got a Kikuchi base. There's an Expos 50th anniversary, Vlad Guerrero. Got Matt Chapman, 132 of 175. Carter Keyboom. Biggio. And Vlad Jr. Jeff McNeil. And that wraps up the first box. 2 autos in that box were Steve Sachs and Jermaine Dye. I looked over all the short prints before I started, so hopefully I'll be able to pick them out if I see them. Some of them are pretty obvious, some of them are not. All right, second box. Here we go. Biggio, Vlad Jr., Kikuchi, Carter Kieboom, it sure does. It's a pretty cool set. Senzel for the Reds. Tucker for the Pirates, the 175. Pete Alonso. It's hard to just zip through these like we do with a lot of stuff with a bunch of base. Because it's very easy to miss the autos. Kikuchi. Any of the cards, like the ones like that don't have the autos or the short prints, or some of the short prints. There's an auto. Jeff McNeil base. Autograph for the Nationals / Expos, Jeff Reardon. That's 26 of 150. Austin Riley for the Braves. And autograph for the Astros, Larry Durker. That one is not numbered. All right, 2 boxes down, 3 boxes to go. Yeah, I was trying to read up on all that before we started, Brandon. I checked all the photo variation short prints. And right over a little bit of everything. Hopefully I can catch it on the way through. If not, I'll catch it on sorting. You talking about the guy from the Expos, Lucas? I mean, that was squiggly, man. I noticed that too. I'll give you another look at it as soon as I rip these. get another look at Mr. Squiggly Auto. Man, it's rough. All right, box 3. Hey, I don't blame y'all if y'all go ahead and start. Y'all are more than welcome to go ahead. That Babe Ruth. Senzel for the Reds. Pete Alonso, future star for the Mets. Eloy. Ayura. Ozzy Albies, purple. It's going to be 11 of 175. Pete Alonso. Randy Johnson Expos 50th anniversary. Got a Javi Baez mini. I think these are like 1 in 75 packs or something like that. Something right around that 75, 78, 1 in 70 something packs. That's right. You back up poker games, back up draft times. You guys take care of me. Oh, boom. Boom. Boom, son. There we go. Who was it? That Matlock. You said maybe you get your first Vlad Inc. Oh, wait. Well, there you go, man. Expos 50 years. Jeff Facero. That one is not numbered. And we have a Vlad Jr. auto. This one is not numbered either. Vlad Jr. auto for the Blue Jays. Get your little boom, son, Kyle Matlock. Two boxes to go, guys. Still 4 autos left. We haven't seen that case hit auto yet. Will it be tonight or will it be Saturday night? I kind of hope it's tonight because I want to see one of them. Yeah, they are the 58, Jeff, the 58, the All-Stars insert, that's one of my favorite inserts. The Mantle 58 All-Stars cards, one of my favorite cards there that there ever has been. This is box number 4 of the break. Good luck. Dunaway, am I supposed to pay you for that or pay Eric? Senzel for the Reds. Autograph Ken Hill Expos 50th anniversary. Pete Alonso. Dang. I hate when I have to send you money. It's always better when you send me money. I really like to hit one of those Babe Ruth photo variations. Eloy for the White Sox. That's right. I've got you 2 Bakers lately. Don't you forget it. Hyura for the Brewers. Eloy for the White Sox. Cookie Rojas for the Royals autograph. Mike Trout, Topps Magazine. Ken Griffey Jr., Topps Magazine. Whit Merrifield, 4 of 25 for the Royals. Carter Keyboom, future star, rookie for the Nationals. Austin Riley for the Braves. Carlos Santana to 99 for the Indians. Jeff McNeil. And a Pete Alonso insert. And we have 1 box left. Who hit Vlad? That would be Kyle Matlock. You never looked at the checklist? I looked over it. I didn't get to look. I just looked for like the short prints and stuff right before we did the break. I never got a chance to really look at the overall checklist today. I just wanted to get a brief glance at the photo variations and stuff like that in case we pulled one of those. But I haven't seen one. There's not a ton of the photo variations. I think there's like 10. So honestly pretty hard to hit. Alright, last box, guys. In case you guys were wondering, the case hit autos are these cards that look like this, except auto. The Topps magazine inserts. Vlad Guerrero insert. Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie. Eloy. Ricky Henderson purple. That is 149 of 175. Austin Riley. Hey Ian, what's up? Yeah, I've got let's see, how many of those are left? Jeremiah bought 2 and William bought 2, so there is 6 packs left, I believe. Eloy Jimenez, White Sox insert. Ayura for the Brewers. Autograph Jose Vidro, Expos, Nationals. Yeah, Ian, if you want to send it now, I'll bust them right here in the same video as soon as I do the autograph recap. Oh, Lord, there he is again. Jeff Reardon, Expos. So both autos in that box were Expos. That one's pretty squiggly as well. All right, let's recap the autos. Jeff Reardon, Jose Vidro, Cookie Rojas, Ken Hill. Put that one in the back. Jeff Facero, Larry Diker, Jeff Reardon, Steve Sachs, Jermaine Dye. He used to be one of my favorite players. And Vlad Guerrero Jr. Little boom sun action along the way for the Blue Jays. All right, Ian, I'll bust those 2. Let me grab them over here real quick and we'll bust them right now. All right, I got 6 packs left, 1 through 6. Just pick out 2 of them, and we'll rip them. Hey, they're cool cards for sure, and you can get some big hits out of them. Yeah, there was one Reardon that was numbered. The Rojas was not numbered, but the Reardon with the purple border was numbered to 150. And the Jermaine Dye was also numbered. It was numbered 99. Those were the only 2 numbered autos we had, I believe. Yep. All right, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. All right, Ian, good luck, man. Appreciate it, brother. Titus O'Neill, Daniel Bryan. Autograph 7 of 25, Baron Corbin. Xavier Woods and Roman Reigns. Base cards. Baron Corbin auto. 7 of 25. Oh. Sasha Banks, The Undertaker. Nikki Cross. That one is 4 of 99. Dunaway. Jeff Hardy. And Relic, No Way Jose. 57 of 99. There you go, Ian. So Ian and Jeremiah got both hit a relic. So all 4 of the remaining packs should have autos. All right, appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you later.